देखते रहना, नहीं स्लाइड मत करना, देखते रहना नहीं।
Wayanad roping. We were heading to the Nilimala viewpoint, but Google saved us. So it's closed on the weekends and opens only from Monday to Friday. So now we are heading to the Heritage Museum in Wayanad, which is like managed by the Tourism Council here. And let's see what we will find there. So it's all about exploring today. Meters more to the museum. Walk, 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 walk. So we reached the Wayanad Heritage Museum. We are entering the museum. Alluvial soil. These were the storage vessels used to keep fish.
Kishanji's brother was Balram.
So these are all made with bamboo and were like used for catching fishes and for the olden day farming. These are the tribal memories gallery. The rock engravings we saw in Edikal Cave in a better view. The museum showcases the relics of Wayanad's cultural heritage, stored from different parts of this district. Rock engravings in the Towari rock shelter. Gallery 1 Virasmuthi, Memories of Heroes. This is the hero stone. Another big hero stone here. Different rock engravings of goddesses and god. These were collected in the 15th century. Stone axes of Neolithic age. And that was the Wayanad Heritage Museum, and it had the stones and carvings, and also instruments like farming and musical instruments and all. So you can see the past or the ancient culture of Wayanad there. So the sun is all up and we had our lunch and we are like walking around. And it's about 1 kilometer more to Phantom Rocks. Phantom Rock 0 kilometers. We are in God's own country, Kerala. But this place is beautiful. See that road, mountains behind mountains. So this is the gate to the Phantom Rocks. You can see the Phantom Rock. So guys, the Phantom Rock is generally an archaeological spot, and like it looks like the skull of a person. So we are taking this narrow road. So let's see where we reach, and it's very hot out here, so you should definitely come down to get a better view of the valley and the Phantom Rock. We are headed to the Phantom Rock, and you can see the view behind me at the crazy valley of the Phantom Rock. It's a good place, so follow us. That's Neeraj running to the rock. Came from there. This is like the closer view of the rock.
Amrut will teach us how. Off to
You can see people have written something on those rocks as well. I'm wondering where and how they raced to the top to like write their names with some love symbols of their girlfriend.
Selfie sticks.
Maybe a long selfie stick from here where I'm standing now. There is a rope maybe to like go down holding it to the inner part of that rock. Okay, so we are actually trying to like go down through that rope. It's already slippery.
Only there is slippery, bro. You turn back, Neeraj, you turn back. You come down now.
You leave the bag there somewhere and hold me. I've never mountain climbed or not climbed. देखते रहना, नहीं स्लाइड मत करना, देखते रहना नहीं.
Why not
Okay,
roping?
there, little bit below. There, correct.
Okay, there is a place to like keep your legs, but it's all dusty. Tell me, guide me, bro.
You have to put it. See that. It's even more below.
Oh, there is a place to like keep your legs. I'm just going down. I wonder how it will come up, but we are going down. So guys, we have broken Ulti's beers.
Amrut, see the front packet if it is.
I'm throwing this.
Okay, front pack is fine.
Throw that.
Front pack is fine.
Okay, Ulti's certificate for Poker Sports League goes into the Phantom Rocks.
Wait. See, there's nothing.
Why you are throwing the bag? Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Hey. Yeah, it seems.
Don't throw the bag. Just beside the rocks.
What is it? Put down. It's it.
So we are taking this path and crawling down. Oh shit! Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, yeah.
Amrut.
So we are going down and down and down. Woo! Nobody is here. Only Wonder Crumbs is reporting live. So we came from like that side, crawling down into that rock, and now we are here. See the view.
Best view.
Samrut at top of nowhere. Because the archaeologist didn't describe what is this place. But I can see trees growing on the rocks and all. This is beautiful. I think this was the best part in Wayanad. Like we went down, slipped, and like, whoa, look at this. We're walking down to like get our bag we kept and like try the other spot, as we thought there was no other way out, but maybe we have a way to nowhere. Let's see. Where is the bag, bro?
Bag is there.
Huh.
Do you want to go down here?
Okay, so there is like another way to go down. Let's see where we reach. It's crazy out here, but yeah, it's a good thing to try. I don't know if this was like explored by anyone. Okay, the rope ends here. I'm all dirty. Oh, it has started raining and we have to like escape the place fast as we can. Woo! It's raining! Ah! Kerala! Oh, wait. See, the rocks have already become slippery and all because it's raining. See the mountains in the rain. I can see the truck where we came from And we have escaped Phantom Rock! See the rock, it started raining. And we are like successfully,
We plan to go into that forest.
we were planning to go
Inside
down
that forest.
through that forest, but it's
Winter
raining,
forest
guys.
during
Just
night.
look at it. Clouds all over Kerala, Wayanad. But it's beautiful. And I can only see the view, and when I will be uploading this to YouTube, you all can just look at the beauty of Wayanad in rain. And the Phantom Rock, which were really cool. See you guys. Let's go to the next stop. I don't know where, but let the rain stop first, and then we'll head somewhere like fourth place in Wayanad. So guys, we are heading back to our rooms as it started raining. I just logged that it was all sunny and we were like sweating at the Phantom Rocks. But yeah, maybe this is the beauty of the tropical places, that it can rain anytime. So guys, after the Phantom Rock, we have like reached to the Jain temple, which is in Sultan Bathery. It was like 11 kilometers from Phantom Rock, and this is the temple. They are saying that we won't be allowed to like record inside the temple, but we'll see if we can sneak peek. Okay guys, so this temple behind me, the Jain temple, is like made out of rocks. It's said that this is like the most famous out of all the Jain temples in Kerala, built in the 13th century. Heading inside the temple. There is some rock. This is the other side of the temple. So this is like, I'm taking this shot from the top of the ladder. I won't be going a little up, like it's too shaky, you know. Okay, so he was saying that this place was like invaded by Tipu Sultan, and then he like used this temple to like hide his ammunition and stuff here. So that's how this name, like the Sultan's Battery, was given to this place. In Malayalam, people started saying about this place to be Sultan Bathery. So the sun is about to set and we are just like walking around the Sultan Bathery market. I'm just feeling the Wayanad. So yeah, we'll be going somewhere else tomorrow, so no more plans for tonight. Let's see, as we have to wake up early. Okay guys, so that was day one, and we like went to the Edakal cave for the trek, and then we went to the Wayanad Heritage Museum, and then we went to the Phantom Rocks, which was like really great, and we did some crazy stuff there. Then we headed to the Jain temple in Sultan Bathery, which was also great. Exploring more, like we'll be going a little far from Wayanad. So yeah, stay tuned guys for day 2.